Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today I've got my special guest star with me, Heidi. Heidi's from China. Well, she's not really.
I know, it's like Heidi's from China. It's so weird.
You can see, you can tell by the look of her.
I'm a true blue Aussie that's lived in China for 24 years.
That's right. And you've got your own show over there.
Yeah, got my own show over there. It's You Are the Chef, and it's a daily show all about cooking.
Wow.
But I will say that there are dishes that I've seen that you've made absolutely inspired me, and the kids watch it and they go, oh my God, I want to eat that. So I'm actually cooking some of your dishes at home.
And why wouldn't you?
Yeah, why wouldn't you? But today
we're doing something a little bit different. Well, you know, we're in holiday mode, and well, what's better to do when you're on holidays and, you know, get some good stuff into us.
And I was actually thinking that you're probably a lover of beer.
Well, I am.
And maybe, you know, whiskey.
Oh.
All of it. Well, actually, you probably like them more. But my favourite drink is a Whisky Sour, and we have kind of coined it here as a whiskey business.
Oh,
get it?
Okay, whiskey business. So today we're going to make a whiskey sour.
Business. Yeah, a whiskey sour.
Whiskey sour, sweet.
All right.
No, I got no idea.
Easy. No idea, it's all right. So, and I'm one of those people that just doesn't follow a recipe very closely. So I'm just going to...
Who does?
Yeah, who does, exactly. So you need lemon. The core things are, you want soda water. You don't want soda water. We do not need
that. Now we got mineral water here, which we don't need.
We don't need that.
We'll get rid of that.
Okay, so we need whiskey, we need some sort of sugar syrup, and we've got here the elderflower one, lemons, and an egg, and then to top it off, we're going to have, what do you call this? Bitters. Yeah, egg white, you know.
Really?
Have you ever had one of these?
No, I haven't.
All right, well, I think we should just get stuck into it. So, do you want to help me do this, or you just want me to do it all?
I can watch. I can do the taste testing.
Okay, so we're going to squeeze the lemon, which is pretty easy to do.
So how many lemons? Just one?
Oh, look, we're going to make 3 glasses here.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to use 2 lemons.
Oh, okay.
It depends, I think, if you prefer a sour. And it is called a whiskey sour, just putting it out there. But I like...
the lemons.
Hence the lemons.
Okay, so that adds the sourness.
This is, I think, because of the lemons, that we could technically call this a healthy
it is.
Drink. And
yeah.
it's got
this
egg
is
in
made.
it.
This is wheat, right?
Yeah.
Oh, something like that.
Yeah, cereal we've got.
Cereals.
This is flowers, botanicals.
Botanical flowers. This is like a herb.
Yeah.
We got
eggs.
Man, it's
bit
basically...
of ice.
Basically breakfast, right?
And you know, immune building, and then killing of bacteria.
Exactly.
Seriously, this is
just the best of all worlds, right?
Okay, we're gonna do one lemon for each person, and as our lovely photographer is here, we're going to do one for them too.
All right, and then we're just putting that in a.
So we're going to put it in
a shaker. You got a lid for that shaker?
No.
Oh.
We don't need one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got
I'm going to show you. Yeah. Okay. So
right.
we're going to pour this in.
Okay, so that was 3 lemons.
3 lemons. So 1 for each person. That's what I do.
Sweet.
And I have to say that I really am bad. It's meant to be a standard pour, but I never knew what that was. So we kind of go for 3 people. Is that a standard pour?
Yes. Yeah. That's perfect. Perfect standard pour. So that's 1. So we need 3 of those.
And then I do normally about half of this. If you prefer sweet.
What is this?
This is like a syrup, but this is the elderflower. You know the elderflower cordial? No?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So is that part of the recipe, elderflower cordial?
No, it normally used just a normal sugar syrup, but I prefer this because that was all we had. Okay, so we've got this in here. You can see everything there.
Come on in, take a look.
Okay.
That looks pretty good.
Looks good. Okay, we're going to add just a little bit of ice, but we're going to put most of the ice into our cups, and then this is what makes it awesome.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we just want the egg white. And that is what's going to create a foam, a foam on top.
Oh, egg white.
Yep.
Okay.
So any of the
nice.
drinks that you have, if they've got a foam on top,
Is that from egg?
it's from egg white.
We
Egg
learned
white.
it here first on Greg's Kitchen.
Greg's Kitchen. All right, then we're going to blend it. All right.
All right.
Okay, that's the finish of it.
Okay.
Now what we do is we put some ice into our glasses. There we go. And into our final glass. You can see I've put more ice in some. It's probably for me. Put that to the side. Okay, look at this. This does not get better. One, I'll do another one. All right, look at that. Oh,
Oh yeah, I can see that little
my
bits of lemon.
goodness. So, if you just wait a little while, what happens is all the foam rises, and so it's kind of splits. So you get the sort of the difference in the color, and then you put just a touch of bitters in, a few drops, and you'll see. And then you can just get something and stir it. And a bit of colour through the top. And there we have. And you can see here now, it's just starting to sort of split, and you can see the foam on top here.
Yeah.
And then you've got the colour through. Give that a go.
So you just need to let that go all the way? Or?
No, just drink
ready
it.
to enjoy.
It's like, you don't wait for things like this.
No,
Good
that's
stuff
true.
is, is worth taking.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. That's the bomb right there. Oh wow.
Isn't it amazing? And
Yeah.
it's like you get the first flavour, and then after it's just that lingering taste of the whiskey and the lemon.
Well, I'm tasting lemon. Let me try some more. It's really sweet.
Yeah.
I can't even. You can taste that whiskey, but
It's just fragrant, more
it doesn't
fragrant.
taste like potent at all. But I'm sure it'd flog you, right? A few of these.
It's pretty potent. We put quite a bit of whiskey in it. Of
There
course,
was a lot.
you don't need to put that much whiskey in it, but
But that was a lot of whiskey.
yeah.
But I can hardly taste like the strength of the alcohol in it.
Yeah.
It's really sweet. It's really delicious. This is so good. This
You
is.
didn't expect it to be as good as that, did you?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't know what to expect. But this is absolutely
The bomb.
the bomb.
Yeah. Well, cheers.
So there you go. There's a whiskey sour
Yep.
made by Heidi. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
And we'll see you next. Our next cocktail that we're going to make. I wonder what that one will be.
It's probably not going to be as good as this one, but you should stay tuned to watch it.
Yeah. No worries. See you later.